What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a couple weeks since I've posted, and that's just strictly due to a busy workload. This is not my full-time job. I know it's just a hobby and work comes first. So that being said, in the last video I'd mentioned that we were going to work on the exhaust system. That's not true. We are going to get to that, and it'll probably be the next video, but in this video we're just going to get the car fired up, still open headers, but I want to see if we can get the car into gear. So I just put in gear oil into the transmission, and we'll see if we can get the back tires turning. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button. Let's get to it. So the last couple times I started the car off camera, one of the AN fittings for the fuel filter was leaking. So I'm going to prime the system a couple times and see if I get any leakage. Yep, that's just going to be a thing on the channel. Welcome to Logan's Garage, where we forget to plug the battery in. That sounds more like it. And I can hear it leaking. Oh yeah, I can see it leaking too. Whoops. Oh, right there. Okay. Well, I'm gonna get my hands in there and try to tighten that up. Alright, let's see if it leaks now. Doesn't seem like it. Much better. Alright, let's see if it'll go into gear. Pretty cool. Alright, that was pretty exciting. I'm super happy. Thing was smooth as butter, and I got it up into, third gear. So had to do a TPS relearn. I think the throw of the pedal is shorter than what it could be, and I'll play with that. The pedal has like a loop, like a metal loop almost on the bottom, that when you press it in, it like presses against the floor and stops it. I think I can shorten that and get more pedal throw. But then other than that, everything worked out really well. Like I said in the intro, we're going to try to get some exhaust on it and get it on the road. I think we'll get it on the road before we put the front end on, but you never know. I just want to kind of take it for a rip and get the Holley ECU learning, and we'll go from there. See you in the next video.